Tomato. For our tomato, we want to make sure that the skin is nice and red, the stem is green, and that there's a slight give when pressing, which means that it's both acidic and sweet. Same as our strawberry, I'll remove the stem by coring the tomato. Now if you want to remove the skin, all you have to do is make 2 slits on the bottom and blanch for 30 seconds. You can then easily remove the skin with the tip of your paring knife. To begin, I'll slice into rounds like so. And this is great for marinating, roasting, and to use in caprese salads. Another technique is to cut into what's called a paysanne, which in French means peasant. And these are perfect for garden salads. Next, we'll cut into large wedges, which are great to use in tomato salads, roasting, and marinating. We can also cut our wedge in half and begin to slice into a thin paysanne, and these are perfect for salsas and ceviches. So we have our tomato wedges, our rounds, our large paysanne, and our thin paysanne.